Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Gallery. And as cool as this is, I want to play with the colors inside the rings because they didn't make me perfectly happy. So I've got some Amsterdam white cell activator, which is 4 parts Floetrol and my mixture of GAC 800 and 1 part paint. And I am going to use some of my favorite colors inside these rings and see what I can do to make myself happy. That was 2 Venetian blues, one with a lot of Anitas in it, and the first one was the purple flash, and the second one was dioxazine purple. And my plan is to use my little tool and see if I can, yeah, I'm already liking that better. And I've got more of these little tools, and rather than change it out right now, I think I'm gonna, I didn't put any gold in there? Alright, well I want more of that, more of that cell activator to react, but if it doesn't, it's still okay. I am going to grab some of the hot orchid, use some of the Anita's white metallic with a little bit of pink added to it, and a little bit of this Arteza. I think I want something darker than that though. Let's just keep going back to that dioxazine purple. I'm going to keep going with the white, and if I don't like it, I'll switch to the black. Oh, I wanted some gold. That's what I wanted. I made another gold up. Am I done? I feel like I'm missing something. I'm going to go for some of this darker orange. And I'm going to spread that paint right up to the edge. And then use my little tool to go over it. So far so good. I'm liking that better. And I'm just going to keep repeating what I did, but I think I need to put paint the whole way along. If I'm going to get it. I don't know what that is. In Florida, you don't find out if you have cockroaches you don't see in your house until you leave a painting to dry overnight. That is the color shifting purple flash from Folk Art, and I am looking for, yes, I'm going to keep adding, because I like the drama of the dioxazine purple. I'm going to wipe that off. I'm going to go in from the other side this time and see what happens. And as I get to that end, I'm probably going to go back and grab some more white. Go in from the other end. And I'm already so much happier with all of that. I am going to take the colors that go with this over here and add them. I thought about putting black rings in between, and I kind of tried it. I think I tried it out digitally, and it just wasn't quite there. I'm already almost happy with this. I'm going to keep using my hot orchid. And some of that color shifting red from Folk Art, strangely enough. And some more gold. Now what else do I want in there? Anything? Something, I'm sure. Something I don't usually use. Maybe a little bit of magenta. I know, I'm going to put some Anita's White Metallic in there. And I'll have that one last ring to play with. This will just make it a little, I don't know if that's going to work or not. I just thought about it. I need to get some cell activator. Looks like it's going to be nice. Wipe off my little card. Do what I just did. Come in from one side. Might want to just knock that right off over here. Go back again. Go in from the other side. Kind of liked most of what I had along that edge, so I wasn't trying to really obliterate everything. But I am liking it. I think I'm going to use some paler blue, or yeah, I'm going to go for the electric blue from Arteza. And some of the Venetian blue from Modern Masters, and its later version. I think I'm still going to have to use some purple in there. I think the purple is my unifying factor. Which is too bad about some of that because those cells are awesome. Now I didn't have to use all white, but I'm not minding it so far because I've got plenty of black, it seems to me. I will try and link the video where I created these little tools so you can find it. Just going to knock that color off over the edge right now. Dispose of any of my spare. Part of me wonders if I put some of that down in the middle. What would happen? I don't see much happening, but I do have plenty of cells on this one end. And I do like the color. The color variation is good for me. Make sure I'm covered over the edge. I'm going lighter again here. Actually, I want to go right in here. Even though there's some beautiful cells there. I think purple is my choice to allow something to dominate. Go figure, right? Now I have some turquoise, and I might still want to do something out here. I might want to do purple out there again too. Yeah, I'm okay with that. I still wonder if that orange is too much. And I definitely see that I'd love to have some cells in here. Or at least something lighter to create a variation on that. I'm still happier. This is not the simplest way to go about this. I'm going to use some more of the light blue. Now I just have to think about whether I want any of the dark blue. I'm going to start in the center. Well, I am actually happier. Do I sound like I'm trying to convince myself a little bit? Part of me still wants to put black rings in there, but the other part of me is pretty happy. I think I want to spread it out first and see if I want to put something in there. And I've got some light turquoise, but I'm thinking that the electric blue is what's coming. Yeah. And with it, I do have some cells where I wasn't expecting they were going to show up. Do I want to go the gold again? I think I do. I really want to use the black. I could do that. Let's do it. Those cells popped back up because I had awesome cells a second ago. This dark streak here is still bothering me, which is too bad because I really love the cells in there. But I never did go back in between. And I'm not finished till I'm finished, evidently. Is that going to be it? Do I want some lighter orange in there just because I can? I really don't want to give up the gold. This edge turned out nicely. I like that. I'm going to do the black because I can. That is, by the way, the name of my first book on the Amazon link. The Amazon link is on the link tree. The link tree is the first blue link under the video. I go back and grab a little more black and start it again on the other side. Yeah, that dark streak is better now. Makes me want something in here though. I'm hoping that the colors will be better this time. Really, I am. Because I love those cells in there. I really don't want this to be a stage 2 that needs a stage 3. But I think I am going to use the black. Wipe off my tool. Do I have a better tool? I might. I'm going to use the longer one. I don't know if you can see that. Nope, not unhappy that I did anything here so far. I'm just using up the paint. My little tool. And I'm going to grab another little tool. And what? One. Going to blend those together. Tell you guys, I have over 93,000 subscribers on my channel. I'm awful glad you're here to watch. I have over 2,000 videos in case you're inspired. I'm going to touch up my edge. I'm calling this good. It's got a lot more going on than it had, and I like the color combinations better. Yeah, I did. I just put purple all the way to that edge, and I don't mind it. I should probably zoom in. I'm loving seeing some of those cells. I'm going to torch release the bubbles caught in the paint. Hey, if you need my email address, it's underneath the link tree. When you click show more, you'll find it. I'm trying to remember where all my new stripes are. Oops. That was interesting. I do have quite a few cells. I got a couple places where there aren't very many cells. Like that orange stripe might be bothering me. I'm not sure what I would do with it. Why not? Grab my little tool again. So I love you guys. I hope you take care of each other. Take care of yourselves. Check out my link tree if you're interested for my new clothing line that's made in Montreal. It's called The Gallerist. It's the top link. Check the end screen video for my monthly drawing prizes shared at the beginning of the exhibition video that's in the last 20 seconds. On every video, I am going to try and zoom in. I am way happier with this, except for that one white spot. It needed a second dose. There's some great color combinations in there. Still not sure about that yellow. Maybe I will be tomorrow. There's a lot of colors in this rainbow. My husband and our friend discussed it, and they called it the rings of Saturn. We'll see if I call it that. All right. I'm afraid my camera mount is being finicky, and I don't want it to fall into my painting. So I'll tell you guys.